It's thrilling to be able to save lives and interact with your fellow sailors and know that you're there for them. The sky's the limit as far as your leadership potential as an officer. You can be a department head, you can be a division officer, be the director of surgical services.
So my job as a Navy nurse is to take care of critical patients during their time of need.
The Navy has given us a lot of training. Were we to deploy together, we can work together as a team and adapt as we need to at the right time.
As a perioperative nurse, my main job is to keep the patient safe. I assist the anesthesiologist with putting the patient to sleep.
I'm a certified nurse anesthetist. I'm the only one on this ship, so I'm here primarily for trauma surgery, things that needs to be done to save lives. I do a lot of dental cases, teeth extraction, I do a lot of sedation. This is probably 1/4 the size in a civilian operating room. It's me, a surgeon, and a tech. I am responsible for a lot.
The Navy sent me to midwifery school, and I received my Master's of Science in nursing with a specialty in midwifery. A lot of our military family members have to have babies without spouses and have to go it alone, and we're their family. There's nothing like seeing a mother meet her baby for the very first time, put it into her arms, and seeing a new life begin.
I was tasked to go to the Comfort to help the people in Puerto Rico. I basically helped provide aid to multiple situations where people needed to be emergently intubated, had to have life-sustaining measures as far as doing CPR.
You have to love the people. You have to have compassion.